Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced French cooking terms, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? For reference, in French, in France, it is said as brunoise, brunoise. Therefore, in English, it is usually said as brunoise, brunoise from French, brunoise, a type of vegetable cut. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of other vegetable cuts and more French cooking terms. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.